pull up Samira's shop next. And Samira has resin art, ocean resin art. Very pretty. That is really cool stuff. So let's look at this one right here. This is my kind of art right here. So custom ocean resin serving tray, round tray, resin 3D waves. Resin 3D waves, that's a good keyword there. Made to order, functional gift, unique gift, good keywords there. That's interesting. Functional gift, I like that. That's a great keyword, except that one is incorrectly spelled. You want to make sure you fix that. Unique gift, two base choice, circle and rectangle. So I think your keywords are really great on this one. And obviously, okay, this is your best seller. So this is a great looking item. And this is, when you have something that just really clicks and does well, it can make such a big difference on your shop. And even just that one item can sell a lot of times. So really good job on this one. Very, very pretty item. I'm kind of enamored with it. I'm just looking at it like, wow, it's so cool. And let's look at some of these other ones here too. Ocean resin serving tray, round tray made to order. And see if you have your dimensions. 15 inches by 2 inches. So this one, is this the same size as the other one? So I see I'm guessing these are basically the same items. You just got 3 different listings for it, which is very smart. Now, the next thing I'd recommend, because these are obviously, this one's got a bestseller on it. So that one's obviously a winner. It's doing really well. That means it's a good photo. And it looks like the circle one is a bestseller. And then you have this one where you have the square image first. So that's really smart, testing which image does better. And I'm guessing this one's the better one because it has bestseller on it, and this one does not have bestseller on it. So that's a really good split test to kind of see which one sells the more often. And this is such a great example of how your pictures make such a big impact on your sales. This round one just fits the image better. It just fits this image here. The square one, it just does not fit nearly as well. So guys, pay attention to this. It's so important how you can get your images to fit into the thumbnail. This same product, but one's round and it fits differently than the square one. And you can see right here, the round one has sold so many more times than the square listing. Now on the listing itself, it looks like you can just choose the different option, which is kind of funny. You could just choose the circle or the round one or the square one. But really good split test. Now, my next suggestion would be to duplicate this more times, this listing, but with new keywords. So obviously this is a great product. Your pictures are amazing. Your pricing is good. So you have a great product. You have a great offer. Now you just want to reach more people with this offer. So one way you could do that is by copying this listing and then changing out the keywords, because this is the very first keyword is your biggest keyword, okay? So custom ocean resin serving tray. So on your duplicate listing, you might go ahead and put functional gift as your number 1 keyword. On the next one, you might put unique gift as your number 1 keyword. And then you could try some other ones. Resin 3D waves as your first keyword, and you could duplicate this listing 10 times and put a different keyword at the beginning each time, and it's going to really help you reach a lot more people, because that's what you want to do when you know a product is good and it sells. You want to go make the copies of it, duplicate it, and target a bunch of different keywords. I would really recommend doing that with this one, and I think would help you make even more sales. And then you can go in and start working on finding more winner products just like that, because a few winner products can just really set your shop apart and make it big. So great looking shop there, Samira. I really like it. I'm going to favorite that one because I don't want to forget about it. It's a really pretty one there.